Hey, good morning, guys. A very fine morning around here again. A very great day. I wanna cruise somewhere. Hey, our maize has started drying up. This is very nice and great. Tata, good morning. How are you? Okay, so here with a guy called Tata. Tupitia hapa? Yes, that's the end of our land. But soon I'll be going deep down. Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It literally depends. Hey, a lot of wind, the breeze. It literally depends on the time or the place where you'll be watching me from. On today's video is another special video, guys. I'm shooting this video from in here, from the Mahindi. Yamwini inside the Mahindi. You know? Yamwini inside. So please subscribe if you're new, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. I really appreciate your love and support. Right here, I'm passing through Enrico's land. Today Enrico is not around. I'm hunting for Enrico. You know, but today it's a good Monday, a very fine morning, and a very special day. I want just to trespass. I see there's a electricity that is being installed in the village, but in this village we are being closed with a river. There's a river in between here, so the other village heading to Daniel's journey, they have already started installing there. And when I talked to them yesterday, if you watched my previous video, you definitely see how I was lamenting about the power. So this morning I submitted my documents, but now, you know, the good thing is, tupite wapi huko, I submitted, sorry guys, the other road won't be accessible, so we have to pass in here. Yeah, in here. That's how you see. That's Tata. His name is Alois. So we are definitely passing in here, just like that. So this morning I submitted my documents so that I can at least be among the people. But now the problem is the power to be around here. I told you it's about that, you know. Anyway, guys, it's a very fine morning around here. This is how you see sugarcane plantation all along. See, sugarcane plantation. This belongs to a certain guy around here in the village. He has a very nice sugar plantation. And the sugar in Yamwini village, sugarcane does very well around here. It's the only village around here that I've seen where people plant a lot of sugarcane. A lot. Which means that their sand or their soil is very fertile. And also around here in Yamwini has a lot of rivers. When it comes to sand harvesting, Yamwini also does the best. So I'll definitely head to... Wait! That's my Yugunos. I'll be definitely heading here. I want to check on Dorina's project. I'll see Dorina's project, how it's carrying on. And yeah, but before that, let me see if it will be very possible for us. I want to see the last pole at Daniel's Journey's home. It's just a one-way walk. We are here with Tata, my personal person. Tata, nasema aje, call him Alois. And you see, this is a very nice fertile land. No, you speak no one Rico. I want to go hare. Guys, you see, there's a certain guy, it's a lady who has really invested in different varieties of veggies. We have yams or arrowroots, we have kales, we have jute mallow, we have black nightshade, a lot. So we are crossing rivers, guys, just like that. We have black nightshade around here. We have on the other side we have cowpeas. Oh man, a small portion with a lot. Look at this river. Hata subiri uende na simu nirushie. Listen to that water. This is how we cross our rivers. It's just a tree that really acted as a bridge. So this is our personal bridge around here. This is how we cross the bridge. We run all the way to this side. From that end, that's a bridge. You know, small bridge in the river. We came from that place. That's our home. That's our neighbor. You know. So let me check if they'll be definitely helpful for this situation around here about this, because we are crossing by to Daniel's journey. Also look on this other end. This is also black nightshade. You see, this is Nyamwini, guys. Very water area. Water in Nyamwini. And there's this big tree that has a lot of bees. Let me just move out of this space. Let's get my There's some bees roaming around. And you know, with me, I applied my small perfume, so I don't want the bees to destroy me. This tree has a lot of bees. It's a big tree. So let's see if the power will go on. Oh no. That's Daniel's Janice's home. You know? It's a very fine, fantastic morning. Pale penye kuna matanga ni wapi? Huko juu. Sasa kama hii steam itapita hivi iende huko. Sasa wangevusha tu hivi kuja hii side nyingine. Juu naambiwa inaenda hadi ile side huko juu. Let's see. I'm trying to trace this electricity, guys. I want to see. Because I've been told it's going on this other end. Why not this side? So I want to trace them today. Then I see how. So the last pole was planted here. You know? Let me check. But the good thing is, when I want something, I go for it. And even if I give up, I try to see. Oh, this guy is putting up a ball. The ball. This guy want to start to. Atako carry that. That. So there's the owner of this space want to put electricity. That's why you see he has planted there. Let me check on Daniel. Alright. Yeah, so guys, I'm here at Daniel's Janice's home, and I've been told that this is the last pole. You see? I'm struggling, and this guy's favored, man. You see, this is the last pole, and I was told to pay so that this can go all the way to the other side, downwards. So you see, on this other side, we have another pole at the neighbor there. So it's going all the way. But this is the last pole around here. You see? But what I know is that maybe also one day will be favored. But the good thing is, they're very, very strong. Very, very strong. Yeah. So you see on this other end, I think this one will serve both this house, the other one, and this for Daniel's journey. And I came here, I paid a visit. I found that he's doing plastering on in his house, which is a very good. This is Daniel's Janice's house, and he's doing a very nice, fantastic job, you know. And Mura, introduce yourself, Bwana. No, any fundi hapa. Yes.
Yeah, how are you?
Your favorite today to be on Claude Joseph's channel.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Thank you for hosting me in your channel.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, I'm just doing the molding here of the copra of this window.
Yes.
And okay.
Yeah.
To my channel.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Nick Builder.
Nick Builder.
Yeah, go there, check on me, support.
Do you know plastering?
Yeah.
Okay, man. Then I'll just look for you. You can plaster my small madhouse around here.
Yeah.
If you stand here, you
know,
just check on
the
it.
other one for Matinde
Yes.
is the one who did it.
Okay, man, it was a very fantastic
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
And we usually do it all like this.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
So definitely, because you have now an idea of mud houses,
Yeah.
mine is a small like a store. I want it to be. You just check on it. The moment you hear, ask Daniel.
Yeah.
Where's Claude Joseph's place?
Okay.
You check on it.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
All right,
I
man.
appreciate it.
I also saw here Nariaho. Man, this
Hi
is
guys,
Nariaho.
I am
man.
_Naliaho from Bungoma County.
I was in Bungoma last week.
Why didn't you take me with you? And I'm a driver. I've been in the transport industry all my life.
Oh man, sorry.
I'm also an Uber driver and all that.
Oh man,
But
nice.
all of us are here in Nyabohanse. We came to grow our channel.
Absolutely, man.
So I am _Naliaho from Bungoma County, Habukoya village, and I come from Kenya, country found in the eastern part of Africa.
Absolutely.
And it's a pleasure and my first time to be on Claude's Joseph channel.
Yeah.
And I'm happy and I'm humbly requesting all the Clouds people to leave Cloud and come and join me on my channel so that all the
Guys,
numbers.
will you really leave Cloud?
Yeah.
Will you really
You
leave
leave
Cloud?
Cloud.
Eh? For the
leave
Yahoo?
Cloud. Yeah,
Come
for
on.
the Yahoo,
Yeah,
you
for
know.
sure. But it's okay. We all share with subscribers.
We're going to share with Cloud. It's a pleasure meeting you.
For sure,
and
bro.
It's very wonderful. You know, you guys, you are the pioneers.
For sure.
We are the pioneers. That's
For
why
sure.
I'm happy to see you here.
Thank you, man.
And, I really appreciate you. And I lack words sometimes.
Absolutely,
But
man. It's okay.
I
It's
just
like
pray to God that you guys support us,
Yes.
support my channel, support Naliaho.
For sure.
I have I'm on my road to 2,000
2,000 subscribers.
Yes.
Have you monetized your channel?
did monetize.
That's very nice.
Yeah, I have
Now it's
monetized.
the journey slowly for
Yeah.
5,000, 10,000, 50,
So
just
guys,
like that.
watch my videos. Don't
Yeah.
skip the advertisements because
Yeah.
that's where I get something.
For sure.
Let me show my channel name.
Show your channel name, man.
Wow.
This is Naliaho.
This is
You know, definitely it's my first time meeting them, all of them right here on this YouTube channel. But we have been meeting with them different places, maybe checking on them and looking.
I don't know if we go to, you can see it or I have to go to the shed.
No, it's okay. It's seen. This is a Samsung. It's zooms.
I
So
am
there's
_Naliaho.
Naliaho.
Yeah.
Guys, show some love. Show some love to
Yeah.
I am _Naliaho.
I will appreciate
He's doing a very amazing job and
Thank you
fantastic.
very much, Cloud. I don't
Yeah.
take you for granted.
Thank
man.
you, man.
Thank you very
Don't
much.
worry, bro.
Yeah.
All is well. Cheers, man.
And you also look for a jacket for me like this one. Yeah,
The combat one.
yeah, so that when I
No,
go to
this
my
one.
village, they can also see me. You know?
You know me, I'm passing inside here. They think I'm.
You see, I've been living I've lived in the village for 15 years.
But the funny thing is, I'll advise if I get you one like this, don't close with it to Tanzania.
To Tanzania.
You'll never come back.
Sure.
You'll never come back.
Like, seriously?
If you go with this in Tanzania,
It looks like the army clothes.
like they do nothing with combat. Even if you put those boots for police when you closer to Tanzania, you either leave them there, come back, or you don't come back completely.
So you leave the boots there.
Yes.
Even my jacket, I can
You
leave it for
leave
them.
it there, but before you leave it there, you would have gone through a lot of.
Oh my God.
Yes.
That's a good warning. Thank you for warning
Yeah,
me,
that's
man.
what I'm telling you. If you see me with this, the moment I cross by to Tanzania, I leave it in Kenya.
But gumboots, it's okay.
The gumboots okay. Even if you step down,
Yeah.
it's okay.
I better go there barefoot.
Yeah.
They-
So
they
the
have
thing
nothing
is,
on me. Yeah.
that's a free advice because you don't know the rules of the other side.
Yeah.
They don't tolerate with combat
Combat.
completely. The whole country.
Sure.
I swear.
At least you've warned me.
Yeah. So if you go there with this, you'll cry. You saw what Brother Dagi did? He cried. But he with Brother Dagi, it's because he was apprehended because he had no documents. And sometimes when you're a content creator there, they think you're a spy.
Oh, you're a spy.
Yeah, but now if you go with the combat like this, they think now you're a total spy and you have a
went
camera.
How far did he go in Tanzania?
Just near here.
And then because he was recording.
Yes.
Where did he record? On the border? On the...
No, he was recording in the border, and sometimes, the funny thing with the other side of Tanzania is if you are there and, it's us here in Kenya, also in Nyabohanse where we see, this is a visitor, and we don't tolerate, even we don't report it to the chief.
Okay.
There, the neighbors, if you are there as a visitor, they will have to report you to the chief.
Sure.
And the moment they report you to the chief reports to the police. I've seen somebody here, but he is looking suspicious. So so they come for you.
But why aren't they like us? Us, we are very friendly and we are very accommodating.
That's why I'm telling you, Kenya is the capital of Africa.
Yeah, I salute Kenya. And I thank God that
I love my country, Kenya. Bro. You know,
I love Kenya.
Very free people.
Yeah,
yeah, man.
This is the city of Africa.
For sure. All right, man. Let me pass. Because I wanted to show people about this electricity. It's not passing at our place. So that's why I came to see how many poles can derive to the other side of our space.
You from here, where is your place?
Down here, come here, show you. Come I show you. Kipe? Nakuona? Eh. Daniel? Lakini hata abantu mara. Watebiga wao ni chirembe impromptu. Yeah.
So what's up, guys? My name is Daniel.
Yes.
Welcome to this amazing channel. We are here trying to push.
For sure.
We are just doing molding.
Yes.
And I think from here, the next thing is going to be rough and tough.
Rough and tough,
Then
yeah.
painting.
Oh man, it's
So
very nice.
I think we are at maybe third last. Yeah.
This is, let me say, it's 90%.
Yeah, this is 90% of it.
Yes.
It still need a lot.
Yeah, for sure.
So guys, these are on this channel. My friend here, Claude Joseph CJ, he just did maybe this is not the first time, this is the second time I think. Yeah, I think the second day.
And the most funny thing is me, I just passed by, boom,
Yeah, with the motorbike.
with the motorbike. I wanted to tell Nariaho that my home is here,
Just near,
just around here.
behind this tree.
Behind this tree, you see a structure, a newly structure. You see behind this tree, there's a newly small structure there. That's my land.
Yeah.
Yes, so you'll be able to check on it, okay? All right, man.
You are welcome.
Yeah. So guys,
CJ,
Yes.
you're most welcome.
Thank you,
in
man.
case you never check me out. My good name is Daniel. The channel name is Daniel's Journey. I'm the owner of here, by the way, and we are just families.
yeah, and you are doing a very fantastic work, very amazing one. And what I can say is that congratulations for the work that we are doing. It's very good. Look at the molding, guys. You know this one. If now he paint it, then add on. But before painting, he put the rough and tough.
Yeah,
Then now paint his color, the color of his own likeness.
Yeah.
It will be the best. Ama mna kuna content creator na sahau hapa. Kuna content creator na sahau. Kuna content creator. Sasa introduce bwana, you know. The funny part is that, you know, the camera won't tell you to introduce yourself. It's you to say yourself if you are a content creator.
How are you?
I'm good, man.
I'm good too. So we are here on Daniel Construction.
Yes.
We are doing this molding. I think this is day 2. Now we are trying our best so that we can at least have something. That's what we are here. And guys, Okwemba can come and check me. Okwemba.
Oh, Okwemba, yeah.
Yeah, Road, if you take other subscribers.
Yes.
Road to talk about making hours. Push me, watch my playlist.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm really trying my best so that I can achieve that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are here to assist others. Yeah, and also push my brother CJ.
Yes.
Yeah, to almost 50k subscribers.
Absolutely, man.
Yeah, and
Thank
also
you.
watch and leave a sweet comment to him.
For sure, man.
Actually, I said I will come to visit you, but
Yes.
I failed. But I will.
Don't worry.
I will
Yeah,
plan a
I'm
day.
always there. Yeah.
I will plan a day and have a visit to your place so that I can learn more.
Absolutely. You are welcome.
Yeah.
You are highly
Yeah,
welcome.
so let me show them my channel.
Show
so
them
they
my
can-
channel, man.
They can come and
Absolutely. You know, we are promoting each and everyone, guys. We need to grow.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. You know, sometimes if you leave a brother struggling,
Yeah.
and one day you'll be like, no.
Yeah.
Oh, kumeachilia. Shikilia. Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, you need to confirm, boy.
Yeah. So that's
So this is Okwemba, guys. Let me zoom in. Okwemba.
yeah.
Yes, that's Okwemba. Please show some love to him.
Yeah.
Subscribe, man. Thank you. Let me check on Kibe here, and then I'll be running home. All right, man. Kibe, anuko jonta? Wanikuwa nakusahau kidogo bwana. Unakoaje? Yes. Work. It's a very nice, fantastic work, bro. You are doing over here. Introduce yourself before I leave. Oh, Copra.
Do the molding like the other one that you are seeing on the corner.
Oh, yeah.
So guys, I'm also a content creator by the name Always Kibe. You can check me out there, subscribe, share, like and comment, and keep supporting Claude Joseph
For sure,
by
man.
watching the video from the beginning to the end.
Absolutely, man. Thank you, bro. All right, guys. That's Always Kibe. And it was good me meeting content creators around here. I was passing by to check on the holes. Sawa Kwemba. and then I met very nice guys working here. Very good. Boss, ni aje? Kofiti. Sawa sawa. Dani, ile mti ulipanda hapa iko wapi? Ama uling'oka shift? Kuna mti nilikuja hapo ukiwa umeipanda hapa hivi.
It was only this one.
Ili umwa na mbuzi ama ni?
Mbuzi, but sasa ino nimesefuka.
Unajua mbuzi ni sumu. Mbuzi kiuma mti ni sumu.
Hiyo ndio. Sasa mti nilipanda. By the way kuna yenye nimeng'oka, it was only this one.
Ama ni compound imeongezeka bwana. The other time tulikuwa
Compound imeongezeka.
Imeongezeka.
The additional compound because the other day you came, that part was just bush.
Yes, it was bush.
I don't think if this part was like this.
It wasn't like this. What have you planted here?
These are blackjacks. Are very beautiful.
You planted blackjacks, boy.
Very good food.
Blackjacks.
Blackjacks. But these are them.
Bro,
Like here, these are blackjacks.
so ulipanda blackjacks.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
And these here.
Wait a
These
minute.
are
Wait a minute.
saga.
Wait a
And
minute.
we have mtere over
Wait
there.
a minute, guys. Look at this guy.
We
That's
have So I'm safe.
so you have
These are saga.
saga. These are black nightshade, guys.
Yeah.
These are swega. The black nightshade. And saga is mixed also there. The spider web.
Like that's yeah.
Spider web. Also we have jute marrow, mrenda. We have kales.
Yeah.
Also sukuma wiki. Some call them collards. Oh my god. Also we have this it's called pumpkin leaves. Bro, you are good. It's just a small kitchen garden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we start with sukuma, mtere. I don't know their names in English.
I never did also I never did agriculture, but I decided to learn about their names.
Actually, food.
Is this food?
Blackjack is food.
Bro.
Are you not eating blackjack?
Really?
What about chicha?
Mchicha is I
Pigweed?
eat. Pigweed I eat.
All of them are weeds, but are being eaten.
Guys, this is the very first time that I'm listening that blackjacks are eaten. Really?
But here actually was supposed to plant some peppers, tomatoes, and whatever.
But they just grow by themselves,
Yeah,
right?
they just grow by themselves, but because they're not be eaten, they're not food. So by the time I'll be ready, I'll have just to bring them
Down.
them here.
Oh, okay. Bro, me I was checking because yesterday I was told that the last pole it's on your side.
Yeah.
So they told me to buy like 3 poles. That will come one to Komuturu, from one another one to the other side to my home.
It is more than 3 now.
It's more than 3, right?
Because from here to the river, we'll need now 3.
3.
Then from the river to your home, 3 or 2.
3 or 2. So that's
But you know, like the one is over there, you have to remove another one. Maybe you put it here.
here, yeah.
To be on top
But
of
I was told that these guys,
yeah, so this guy will have one, so that one will save you.
yeah, from here to the trees,
Yeah, so maybe instead of 6, you will need 5.
we need 5. Hey man, today I went there, I submitted my documents because I was told that the electricity is going this way. It's not coming on this side.
No, on that side is not there actually. Unless you now guarantee.
So I have to go deep in the pocket.
Yeah.
They told me it's almost 70.
You hear?
Almost 70,000.
And you'll have to
And it will be more than that.
once you want it.
It will be more than that. So I want to talk with Maro. I want to talk with Maro because he bought land there. We see if we can at least bring the light there.
Yeah.
Because it will be, instead of buying solars and everything, we can check on that.
Yeah, sure.
All right, brother. Me, I was passing to check on the electricity, and I thank God that I've gotten a content from you again.
Yeah.
And it's all. So be blessed, man.
Thank you so much.
Where's my other guy? Tumekuja na kijana hapa. Alois. Maybe yuko huko. Guys, that you have heard. This is Daniel's journey. Please show some love. Sawa Daniel.
Haya.
Wewe hata utembee huko bwana. Mimi nakuanga hapa. Hata niliweka tu madirisha bado hata hujazunguka.
Na nitatembea.
Sawa mra.
Wacha nipate muda.
Haya tu. So guys, I'm around here. Let me check on this. Kibe. Wacha nizunguke. Haya. Guys, I'm just walking around the neighborhood. This is the forest that you always see whenever I'm at my home. And I was told from that pole, there's a guy who wants to construct here. Tata, let's move. Let's move down. I think this is the pole. Wataichimbia hapa, si ndio? So from that area, there's a pole where you see. This will be another pole from here. there'll be another pole around here. So from here I was told that maybe I should have from this side onwards, you know. But this is the space that you always see, the forest. So the guy who owns this forest decided to build here after a long time. That's why you see he's doing the toilet, and we put a temporary structure here so that the electricity can pass. So from here, just also talk to him so that he can trim the trees. You know, the good thing is development. Some people tend to reject development, some tend to accept the development. So like this guy, he has accepted it. So definitely, if I'll just ask him, bear mercy for me, so that he can trim his trees, and then electricity will pass by. Because from there, you'll definitely see our house is there. That is our house, you know. And it won't benefit me alone. It will benefit the entire society around here. You see also there's some tippers that are bringing sand. They are coming to pick sand from there. We have some nice flowers, nice tree. It's a very big tree. So when you'll be my neighbor here, I'll be coming, taking you around here. We can sit down here with our Masai and the fruits. Hey, we connect. Look at this tree. It's 1,000 years. Let me say so. 100 of years. It is a tree that has decades after decades. It's a very big tree. So I'm from Daniel's journey, and that's the home to Alois, where you see that tipper. You know, Alois. I'm here with Alois himself. His name is Alois. Let me get back, guys, and I'll be heading to check on Dorina's project. I see, because he told me Claude come, and because she's a neighbor, I should go check on her and the good. So look, wow. Hey, I'm already shaking. Hey, I know it's one. I wish I had money, guys. Could have bought all these things. It would be a very nice stretch. Was being near the river, it's very favorable. Well, hey. Unaona hata kuna nyasi hapa. Actually, in between here there's water, guys. You know, a very nice flowing water. Anyway, guys, let's wait and check what's going on around. We are still back, taking you around the village. Wow. Sometimes people say there's theft here. No theft sometimes. Nowadays people are employed here for the pole. When even Dorina has a project there, I have a project. When we put boys into work, nothing. Let me show you something that is happening around here. This decided to cover his plants from birds. Who knows this, guys? Who knows this? These are called mito. And you see the neighbor is covering his finger millet. He's covering finger millet. That's my Yugunum shouting from the other side. She's covering finger millet so that no, are they millet or what? Sorghum. You see, she's covering the sorghum from being eaten by birds using the polythenes. Yeah. Sometimes it's crazy. Welcome to my village. Nyabuhanse village. Let's proceed and see. I want to check the mic 1, 2. Sometimes roaming around here in the village, It gives you a special moment, you know, the energy, a very good exercise that will never get bored, you know. This is what you see sometimes. Planting of veggies, things move on. I'll go to Dorina sometimes when she's around. For now she's not. Buga! Yaje mwana. Kwa fiti. Sema aje Buga? Niko good.
I'm good.
Naona tu kuna mashini bwana. So nifurahie huko kidogo kana ndio.
Walibomoa. So ndo nataka niende naipeleka Nairobi sahi.
Yo, iende. Oh. Introduce yourself bwana.
Guys, my name is Mayugno.
Yes.
I'm here with CJ.
Yes.
Yeah, we are here in the village. Now it's still early in the morning.
I was roaming.
You roaming what?
I went there to check on the electricity bwana. Wanasema umeme na kuhamia huko kwa Daniel.
Oh, walai.
Yeah.
But they say there is a lady up here is always stopping electricity even come at our place there. When even the government here, they like, you know, when they bring this electricity, they bring it for that place.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so at some of them try even their best, at least those posts can shift in another place. But that lady, she's in, I don't know, she's in where, she has been in US, I don't know, in Netherlands.
Yes.
But she's always there to report that, I don't know how she's organized with government. I don't know.
Okay, but
so when those people try, she's there to report. Even they say she's the one report our
the other electricity.
Yeah. So it's very tricky situation, but we believe.
Yeah, we believe it will be well. So I went there in the morning.
Yeah.
I submitted my document.
Oh.
So they told me to submit almost 70,000.
Where?
But that is not. It's not.
That is not for electricity.
It's not expensive compared to the way you go for the other side.
Yes.
We only go there to just be like 500,000.
Oh.
Yes. But that 70, it just bring poles to this other end, because they told me like 4 to 5 poles from the other side.
From the other side.
Because this mzee, the one with the owner of this forest,
Yes,
decided to put there also a post.
Oh.
So which means it will be like 4 posts to reach up here.
To reach up there.
Yeah. So
That even us we can do.
yes, man.
If it's cheaper like that, even us we can
We
do.
can do. So
Yeah.
I was like, let me. So I came from there to check on that last pole.
Yes.
But I submitted this morning. I went there yesterday. They told me so. Around 70,000.
Man.
So today when I submitted my properties, the KRA pin and the ID
Yes.
and the registration fee.
Yes.
So I'm waiting to check on if I'll just get money, I'll just do it. If not, then
Yeah.
it's better they bring me the meat.
But I wish you could find even someone
Yes.
who you can share with them
For
that.
sure, the cost, right?
Yeah, the
because
cost.
I'll not be the one using the.
Yeah,
the
you
moment
will be
it's here, the neighbor can use.
The neighbor can use.
Ace is there.
Yeah, that is true.
Yes.
But then you can organize with the A's,
Mhm.
so you guys can bring it there, because this neighbor here,
Yeah.
them they are not serious about that.
For sure.
Them even they will leave it to you that oh that is for you too.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
So
but-
guys, this is Mayugno.
Yes guys, my name is Mayugno. I'm a YouTuber also. Check me there out on my YouTube channel.
Yes.
Subscribe. Show positive vibe there.
For sure, Boga.
And if you come from my channel,
Yes.
please support our brother here,
Yeah.
Mr. Claude Joseph.
Have you ever even stepped on our land? Let's go. The land is there.
Yeah,
man.
I'm just going quick.
Yes.
Because also
Oh, the
I want to do this in this
drone.
morning.
Oh, yeah.
Because they are also take this to Nairobi.
Yes.
Because I just do trade.
Yeah.
They give me another drone,
Oh, yeah.
the bigger one.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I wanted to go pick that one, then I take this one.
Oh, I understand.
Yeah.
All right, Buga.
Okay,
Thank you,
Buga.
man.
I will come. I will
Okay.
come. We'll do
Okay.
a serious content. there.
Absolutely,
Yes,
Buga.
soon.
Nice.
Okay,
Buga. Yeah, guys, that's Mayugno. And on this other side, you see, we are moving. So you have heard, I wasn't just making my own stories. It's just like that. So most people, sometimes when they bring electricity, you have heard that it's more than that. So guys, I'm not trying to beg, but in case, if you really wish this to happen to us, please kindly guys, you know. They just decided to put the electricity on to wherever that side, but they told us it can come to this side if only we can chip in a little money to buy the pods, just like that. The rest they just do it. So please, if there's anyone who's wishing to support this, kindly, there's just pin my number down there at the description point and also at the comment section. Reach me out and we can discuss about it, guys. You know, it will be very shameful whenever you see other places are just lit and this space will be just like that, you know. Alright guys, subscribe. Let me wait for Dorina and we will see how things are moving on all the way. Alright guys. Hey, my guy here, Arois. My guy Alois is roasting maize. Hey Arois, I think this is ready one. You cut. Cut to take it to the wife. Cut. Cut, take it there, Alois. Acha ibaki. Ndio hii hapa juu. Nimekat kadogo. So, I was having a maize here. Very nice, fantastic maize. I wanna head to Dorina's project. Don't mind my shirt. I'm a proud personality. I wanna check on Dorina's project here because it has been I've been always busy here, working up and down with some stuff surrounded with our small house and other things. So today I wanna check on Dorina because she has been requesting, CJ, come visit me. And also Mr. Kibwabwa has been also a very good guy. He has been working with me around here in a good way. So yeah, I'm enjoying village life. You know, now it's a season for maize. Season for maize. Season for maize. You know. And I appreciate Almighty God, the source of creation, for bringing rain. Yesterday, the past 2 days, you've been struggling here, and the rain. In the morning, I was up here, looking for power. Where? Let me check on Dorina. I should have brought what we call like there were some stuffs around here. So she brought ballast. Dorina. Vipi mister? Uko good? Yes. Sasa. Uongo. Huyu hataenda. Wacha nimshikie hapa. Nimechukua fungo yake ya pikipiki nimeweka hapa. Hi. How are you? Kwa salama jomba? Yeah, Dorina.
Yes.
I've seen you brought. Yes, thank you. You have been passing around here every single day, passing.
Yeah.
Safi bwana. So I saw you brought materials today.
Yeah, we got the balance.
Yeah, I was eating mahindi.
Oh, you are eating mine?
Yes, you know now it's a season for maize.
Yeah, let me share.
You can come, we roast a lot there. Sindio mura? Ni mengi yako huko.
Wacha tufanye kwanza tuende tumalizie.
Yeah.
Behind the camera.
How is it?
Good. Hi guys, welcome to Claude Joseph channel. My name is Dorina and I have a YouTube channel, Dorina. Kindly, if you are here, subscribe, comment, share, and check me out. Subscribe to my channel. Success.
Yeah, since morning I've seen you I know you might be tired.
Yeah.
So you brought ballast?
Yeah, for tomorrow.
Oh, this ballast for tomorrow.
Yeah, but
And
the work is continue right here.
Oh, okay.
So we can go to see.
So these are called offcuts.
Yeah.
Offcuts that will be used, maybe here we call them mabanzi.
Mabanzi. Yeah. Oh, it's calling offcut.
Offcuts, yeah.
Yeah, I calling timber.
No, those are offcuts.
Ah, it's offcut.
Jomba, acha tufike hapa shughuli.
Sitende hivi tu alafu ndo tuje nikatie mind. Yeah.
Nakupata hapa.
Hapa. Aya.
Guys, this is Lois' place.
Yeah,
And
this is his home.
yeah, the dad hasn't yet put up the iron sheets.
Yeah, this is the people say this house is like 10 years. Three, four.
Without iron sheets.
Without iron sheet?
Yeah, but I think we have to do something. Me, I've been like doing videos up and down, and you know now I'm having the boy because he told me he's not having a space to sleep. So I did the bedding today, and yeah, he will be at least at a comfortable place.
Yeah, for sleeping.
Yeah, for sleeping.
And also, you know, it's good for you to take care of your site.
Yeah, for sure. He's taking a very good care of it, of my site also.
Yeah.
You know, nowadays you see how clean it is.
Yeah, for real, I see.
Yeah.
They clean and they are taken care very well. Yeah.
Guys, we are here with Dorina. This is the village of Nyamwini.
Nyamwini.
This is Nyamwini.
This is the big
Nyamwini original, not the other.
original.
Yeah.
This is where people is unbelievable.
Around here.
Yeah. But you know, Claude, life is
somehow challenging.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, sometimes people might not know, but
yeah.
life around here.
You know, like Nyamwini here, if you come, you're recording by yourself like that. Other people, they are attacking you. Other people, they reject you.
Yeah, for sure.
So it's like...
You know me, when I came here for the first time, when I bought land, people used to think I'm Freemason. Because I used to do vlogs with my camera. So people used to fear me. I used to tell them, no, these things are real. It's not Freemasons. But they were like, oh, it is okay. So these guys, they want to shift from here.
Yeah, from here to down.
Yeah, to down. So, but I thank God nowadays that also you people, you came around.
Yeah.
And now they have understood the art of this contemplation. But still, there are those who doubt. Kuna wenye bado wanaogopa wanasema, no.
Yeah.
Now this space has really changed.
Yeah.
It has really changed.
You have been here before?
Before, yes. I've been here. This has been...
Really changed, yeah.
It has really changed.
Changed for
since before.
Even the liu.
Yeah. It's now becoming... nimepotea leo. Ama ni hapa. Nimeulizia nikapotea. Haya. Dori akanishikilia mkono. Akanileta. Nataka mwende matanga sai. Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you, Claude. I'm trying.
It's a very good project. And now this one, also the other one, it will be, may God willing, the other one also, here becomes Maisha London. Yeah, wacha tuzunguke kidogo. Toto. Yeah, choka.
We start with.
This is the house that you started with.
Yeah, we started with. There is a house here before.
Yeah.
It was so mad.
It was so mad, yeah.
It was so linking.
And also around here, it used to have poles. I used to be here. We used to come and sit that bench sometimes. But it's a very nice project. Dorina, this one. Thumbs ups. Yeah. It's a very nice one.
We decided to make 2 rooms for boys.
Wow, man.
For girls and for
it's
boys.
Very nice. Very nice.
We remove the mad one and we put this.
This one is very nice. You know now this. Yeah. Dorina. Have high five.
Thank you.
Good job.
Yeah, we start with this small shop right here.
It was a shop?
Yeah.
Then all over God blessed with this.
God say no, they have to have a...
And I know also one day this one
God
will go
will
down
bless
and also the other one.
Change this.
Yeah, Dorina. Guys, This is Dorina underscore Elisha. She has really done like from one video all this. So I'm taking this opportunity to thank you all guys for what you have done, for everyone who has really supported towards this, and through the voice of Dorina. God bless you. God bless you
so much, because without them,
yes, for sure,
this can't happen.
We used to pass here. I used to go to the other guy called Mokami.
Oh right,
So I also used to be here talking with them Zeki Bwabu here. Used to come and we stayed there a little bit, but you know, every bird lands on kila mteja anatua kwa mti anaopenda. So
and every blessing is coming right.
And also I see it's still though. It's still though, Dorina. I'm surprised, man. Dorina, hapa sasa.
It's nice. It's good. They have right now more protection.
Not scared.
No, something like it's raining, because the house before
it used to rain.
It used to sinking, raining, and even the door even also there was it's the house like you was pushing like this and it's shaking.
It's shaking.
So it's like how are these people living?
But this one, and then the rough and tough that you did.
The rough cast.
The rough cast,
So we use this because the color you can using painting color. And when it's raining, it's reducing
it.
So we did this.
It fades away,
forever.
But this one, it's forever. The paint fades.
No matter it's rain. So we have a project going on today here.
Okay.
The toilet.
Oh.
They have to use Mama Mary, ngoja tu kidogo. Before they have using this hard toilet. I know you know our life sometimes.
For sure. You know now.
Sometimes you used to go in bush.
And you know this is the only toilet, the best toilet around here. I'm telling you the reality.
Before they use this.
They used to use this. This used to serve like, let me say, how many houses? Like 4.
For real?
This one, area? The other one over from the other side. Sino brongo mra. Mika, mokamina ni chohara. Mokamina ni chohara. Huko hakuna. Sasa tulikuwa tunatumia hii. So it serves like 4 families. But now when you have built this, now this one will be good. You know, it will be the best,
Here it is, and the material we bought, you see right there, we will use for tomorrow to build this.
Oh, to build this around here. This is what I was telling my other people, my subscribers, that they were telling me, you have dug a very big toilet. How will you cover it? I told them, you know, this one will be covered. And you build a toilet far away from the toilet. And then you put the...
it's the same like this.
Yes. And then you put... nowadays,
some pipe.
You know, like this one, it's direct. This one is very direct. So they put poles like this, guys. Let me show you. You arrange some poles like this.
Let's take for your camera.
So they arrange poles like this. And then you step in the middle. In the middle over here. So you squat a little bit. It's very risky. Like
it's very risky.
I've witnessed a lot of cases.
Like Mama Mary told me, there is a day she go in the toilet to have service, to take service in the toilet. It was rain and the toilet was sinking.
Imagine.
And he sinks to go inside in the toilet. And this shoulder, from that day, their shoulder is not good.
Not too good. Oh,
So, which is very risky.
Very
even
risky.
For children. For parents, like, they are older than children. Okay, they can manage that. But what about children? When it's safe to go inside.
And
but this sometimes the feet of the toilet is like same like
it's like this. Very even if the child cries from in here, usikuje kwa shimo toto. Even if the child cries from in here, it will be very crazy. Nobody will hear it.
For real.
But Dorina, God bless you, man. Whatever you are doing here, you are really changing the narratives. And guys, utakuja kwa shimo utatereza. Mary utatereza kwa shimo. Whatever you are doing. So tomorrow we'll be covering it.
Covering right here.
And then now the holes from the other side. to the river to this end.
Yeah.
Which is very, very, very much okay. Dorina, very nice.
Guys, me, I want to take opportunity for all people and support this because I'm not. It's not my energy.
Yes.
It's not my power. Like it's me only. No. Me, I'm here as a messenger.
Yeah.
I'm a reporter. I'm showing what's going
You're
on.
an angel sent.
And so here, and God bless for people started this, and still here we are. Yeah, from this after this toilet, I don't know what God is going to do again, but
for sure.
I pray God can change this family from where
they are. Yeah.
They already changed, but I ask God to keep change more.
For sure,
Because
Dorina.
from mud toilet, it's not easy. You know, other people they can't believe like we're using mud toilet. To
be honest,
guys. So
we call it shimomoja. So you have to squat like.
For other people, for other family, even they don't have that much.
To be honest,
Yeah, they used to go in
to dash in the bush.
Yeah, and serve or and come back, which you can meet the snake right there.
Yeah,
and
also it's it's unhygienic. But
For
this
real.
one, Dorina.
Yeah.
Kura vitano.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
Dorina. So
yeah. So I really thank you so much, Claude, and thank you so much, people from Claude, wherever you're watching. Thank you for coming to watch this video, and God bless you so much. I really appreciate. And this is what we did, guys. Yeah, for the people who support this, God bless you so much.
Yeah.
Even for the people, you know, there is a people support for advice.
Yeah, for sure.
Prayer, you know, for anything, guys, for your word, like do this, do this. So thank you so much. For the people who wish this to be well, to be done, God bless you so much. And also Claude himself, thank you so much. He's
You're
the
welcome.
one selling us for the blankets. Yeah, he's the one sells for them the blankets. And right now they sleep in
a very nice place.
very nice place. So
For sure.
even your support is here, Claude.
For sure.
Yeah.
I appreciate.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. I really appreciate, and God bless you, and for anything. Also, if you wish to find another wheelbarrow that you can push that.
You have another one.
I have another one, so you come for it. And then
Yeah,
you
even
can use it.
your wheelbarrow is this.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, for real, guys.
You know, with me here,
Yeah.
I want also to bring my other wheelbarrows because I have a lot that I used to hire people, but nowadays I decided like let me put them in the store.
Yeah, in the side.
So I have two to my side there. So if maybe you need to bring the barracks up here, they can use it again.
Yeah, we need more.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe after this.
It's okay, guys. Thank you so much. I wanna end this video here, and God bless you all, guys, for watching this video.
Yeah,
This video
maybe you can show them the room how it is.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, the room.
Okay.
We decided to build a big.
These are bigger.
Big one.
These are big, guys.
Yeah, big bathroom.
It's a bathroom and one toilet.
Yeah, one.
All right, another
Bathroom
and a toilet.
and a toilet.
They are very nice and
Yeah,
spacious.
and here we're going to have some what?
It's called a barrier.
Yeah, barrier.
Okay. The person who goes inside cannot be seen.
Yeah, they can. Somebody cannot
See them, yeah.
see them when it's inside.
All right,
Yeah.
all right,
Yeah, we're
guys.
going to build an amazing one.
Yeah. So, guys, thank you so much. Subscribe, support Dorina wherever you, in whichever way, if by watching. She's on the road to 20,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
And also, right here, she's changing narratives. Like with me, I've known this family for long. You know, I've known it, and I've known how they are really how they have been really struggling up and down. But she's like an angel sent over here to show some love and to support them. So thank you so much, guys. Subscribe if you're new, like, and bye, guys. Bye.